A slippery slope is a logical fallacy in which if something happens through a series of small steps, something else will happen, equating the two things, and it's usually pretty drastic.
Hey man, did you hear about the government banning McDonald's?
It's just a horrible idea. If we ban McDonald's because it's bad for people's health, eventually the government will ban all fast food chains.
The slippery slope in that example was saying that if we ban McDonald's, then eventually we're going to ban all fast food restaurants. And this is because it's completely ridiculous to think that they would ever do that.
This logical fallacy is a hasty generalization. The definition is rushing to a conclusion before you have all the relevant facts. I'd like to get a job here.
Oh, I'm sorry, we don't hire people with tattoos.
Oh, why is that?
Haven't you heard? I mean, all people with tattoos are thugs.
Oh, I did not hear that.
Yeah. The hasty generalization in this example was saying that all people who have tattoos are thugs. Stereotypes are common examples of hasty generalizations, using maybe one person that you saw as a thug with a tattoo and then saying that everyone with tattoos are thugs.
Oh.
Our next logical fallacy is red herring. It's diversionary tactics that avoid key issues, often avoiding opposing arguments.
Go.
So I really want to apply for medical school, but I'm hearing that tuition is way too high. What can I do about it?
Well, there's not really much you can do about it. I mean, tuition is pretty high, but I mean, if med students didn't go to college, where would we get doctors? The red herring here was saying that even though tuition is high, med students have to go to college because where would we get doctors?
Go.
Our next fallacy is the straw man. This is a fallacy where you oversimplify an opponent's viewpoint and attack them with a hollow argument.
Do you hate the earth? There's a recycling bin right here.
The straw man in this example was saying that just because somebody littered, they hate the entire earth. That's taking somebody's simple action and turning it into something that they really didn't mean by the action.
Three, go.
Our last logical fallacy is moral equivalence. Moral equivalence compares common misdeeds to major atrocities. Go.
Class, homework for tomorrow will be numbers 1 through 250. Go.
This is just crazy. How does he expect us to do 200 problems by tomorrow? This teacher's just like Hitler.
The moral equivalence in this example was saying that the teacher was like Hitler just because they assigned a lot of homework. Now the teacher might have assigned a lot of homework, but they aren't exactly as bad as Hitler.